Hello everyone, how is it going? You have probably seen the RzR shifter many times, but today I would like to make a short video explaining everything about the shifter, what it includes, the service that I do, yeah, many more things. So let's start with the shifter in the car. Precise and very mechanic. How close is to the steering wheel? Lathe, a milling machine made of stainless steel, the carbon fiber knob wherever you are in the world, all around Europe. I build these shifters to last forever. The most important part, at least for me, is how precise the shifter is and how strong it feels. So when you put it in gear, you cannot move it, you know, it doesn't have the play of the original. So it's very precise and very mechanic. Another thing that I enjoy a lot about this shifter is how close it is to the steering wheel. So here I have the height adjustable stick installed. As you can see, if you want it super close, it doesn't get better than this. Talking about adjustability, you can adjust the throw, longitudinal throw, and also the transversal throw. Another important thing is the centering spring. Is the spring that keeps the shifter in the middle. This is stronger than the OEM. It is like double the spring rate. So when you go to put reverse in the 2cc engine, it is much more difficult. Here in the workshop is where I do all the work. I have a lathe, a milling machine, a drill press, a sandblaster, the TIG welder, a welding machine, welding table, sorry, and many more tools that are required to make this shifter. But let's talk about materials. I try to do as many pieces as possible made of stainless steel. It's a material that I love to work with because you can weld it. It finishes very well if you know how to do it. It doesn't rust. You know, it has many advantages, at least for me. But I also use for the places where the bearings go aluminum that I sandblast and I anodize so it doesn't scratch easily. But there are things like bronze bushings that has around 20% of oil, something like that. So the oil is inside the material, so it doesn't wear as easy as other materials. And also carbon fiber for the knob. The inside of the knob is aluminum, but the outside is carbon fiber. I don't make this knob, but I get it from a supplier that has very good quality. They are great. People enjoy them and like how they feel. This part of the workshop is where I keep the smaller pieces, things like hardware, bearing, the height adjustable sticks ready to ship, also tools. These are the hand tools that I make for bending all the structures of the shifter. Reference pieces, also some new developments for the new Corolla, and you know, a few things that I will tell in later videos. When you buy a shifter on the RzRFactory.com website, you obviously get the shifter, you get the carbon fiber knob, the stainless steel bolts to bolt it to the chassis with some washers, some stickers. The manual is very important because here I explain how all the adjustments work and how to do it. Also, if you get the height adjustable stick, here is the manual for it. I explain how it works, what it does. Even in the last page, in case you order the height adjustable stick after you buy the shifter, you will have to cut the stick yourself, but I explain where to cut it So it's very easy. Also, another important thing is when you order it, at the checkout you have to write a name, or what the name that you want to put in the badge. In this case, my name is Ricardo, so for Ricardo, but you can put things like 2cc engine, or the serial, the VIN number of the car, you know, whatever you want to put in there. And here is the serial number of the shifter. The answer for shipping is super simple. Basically, wherever you are in the world, I will send it there. Just go to the website, choose your address, you know, it will give you automatically the price of the shipping, so don't worry about it. Also, a little secret: if you are in a country where I haven't sent it before, I will send me a message before, and I will give you a height adjustable stick for free. That is around $100 off, so you know, something to remember. These are all the customers: New Zealand, Australia, Malaysia, Hong Kong, Japan, all around Europe, America, Puerto Rico is a big one, and even Hawaii. So all the shifters come from here. I living here in Canary Islands. I was living in the UK a few years ago, but now I'm back in my land. And last but not for that, less important, is the warranty. I build these shifters to last forever. It should last longer than your car. So if something is wrong, just send me a message. Take a video, send me the video, and we will check it together. You know, I don't care if it's 1 year, 2 years. You're a second owner. I don't care. Just send me a message. If something that I can send you, I will send it. You change it. If not, just send me the shifter and I will fix it. Don't worry about it. You know, that shouldn't be a thing that you worry and you don't order the shifter because you don't know if the guy is gonna repair the thing after some years. I'm the guy that make the shifter, make the videos, and do all the things. So don't worry, I will fix it. And to finish the video, I would like to show you the lineup of shifters that I currently have, because I am developing new shifters for new Toyota cars. But for now, what I have is the E12 Corolla shifter. It can be used in the EU Corolla or the American Corolla. This is the MR2 shifter. This is the most popular one. I also have the Celica shifter that can be also used in an older Corolla. You know, everything is on the website. You can see all the models that you can use these shifters on. I also have the Starlet shifter. This is not on the website. I haven't had time to put it on the website. You know, the day only have 24 hours. So, but yeah, I have also a Starlet Corolla. So you can purchase all of that. Yeah, thank you very much for all the people that have supported my business over the years. You know, every little thing counts. When you buy a shifter, of course, when you share the videos that I make, you know, I can reach more people. Even when you comment things like, after 6 years of using your shifter, it's working properly, I enjoyed it a lot, you know, all these things matter. So thank you very much. Yeah, we see each other around for many more years.